swear. I think it's because I'm burping. Man, these are bad ones. Maybe I ate the chocolates too fast. I was supposed to say I thought they were gone. I guess they aren't. Hiccups hate me and I hate hiccups. The only thing I like about them is they're funny. Sometimes they feel good, sometimes they don't. These, on the other hand, don't. Why does the hiccup always come right before me to say I think they were gone? I think they're gone. Strike three. I'm out. Sorry, I am my friend. That's really nice. I do. Look at these bangs. You check out my totally awesome bangs, dude. That's a shocker. Why do you guys like Hiccups so much? Why? Yes, they're entertaining, but all they are is your diaphragm going crazy. The things people turn into entertainment. I bet you guys are laughing your head off right now. I'm trying not to. I tell you, it's the hardest thing in the world. I have to laugh at everything dumb. Jeez. Sorry. I told you. I think they're done. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Wait, I'm gonna try to say my name next time I hiccup. I just gotta wait for one. It doesn't work. It has to be Hick. It can't be Sim. Cone. That one was fake, by the way. That one wasn't. Pardon. Wait. Times 1,000.